you may not get the window in. If you try to trim it that side first, you may not get the window to set. So this is gonna be your tightest point. So what I like to do, take your window. This is the nail flange. And usually when you go to set a window, you've got your openings already taped off, the house is sided, you've got your window tape, your house wrap, everything's there. So all you do is you walk up, set your window, or take a level, you kind of see, so it's got to come back there. Can't reach the top, so we'll check the bottom. That shows it's got to go up on that side. So what I like to do with that is find the corner that's going to stay in place.
Ethan, help him hold it.
Set that corner. Take a hand from someone on this side. You're going to push that back into me. Yep. Keep going. Won't go all the way. Get it plumb. Tap that in.